Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Matilda and this is the look I will be creating for you guys. I'm going to go into that dark blue shade and I'm going to be packing it on my crease, and I'm going to be concentrating it on the outer corners because I want it to look smoky. I'm going to go into that light blue shade and I'm going to be blending only the outer corners of the eyes. I want to contrast between the blue and the green, so I'm going to go in with a lime green shade and I'm going to blend the inner corners of the eyes, as you can see. Now I'm going to go in with that matte yellow shade and I'm going to use that to blend out the edges of the green I added. I'm going in with a yellow shimmer shade and I'm packing it on the first half of my eyes. Then I'm going in with a green shimmer shade and packing it on the middle half of my eyes. I'm going to put that blue shade on my waterline on top of a primer to make it pop. Now I'm going to do the rest of my face the way I normally do. You can always check out my other videos where I explain everything in detail for you guys. So if you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and also comment on what other videos you would like me to create. And also you can follow me on my social media: Instagram Mathilda___beauty, Snapchat and Twitter Mathildaduku. Let's chat, let's kiki, and I'm going to see you guys on my next video. Bye.